Should you buy a condo or a detached house in Ontario? This is a question we get all the time. And the honest answer is, it depends on your budget, your stage of life, and your long-term goals. Both can be excellent investments when purchased strategically. At the Flowers team, we list and sell every property type in Milton, so we can give you a genuinely unbiased view. Here's the case for a condo. The entry price is typically 20 to 40% lower than a detached home in the same area. Exterior maintenance, landscaping, snow removals, those are all handled by the condo corporation. So maintenance-free living is real. Many condos are near transit and employment hubs. They attract stronger long-term tenants. In Milton specifically, condos range from $450,000 to $700,000, which makes them the most accessible entry point into ownership in the market. But there are trade-offs. Monthly condo fees typically run from $400 to $800, and the lender includes 50% of that fee in your total debt service ratio when you're applying for the mortgage. This can affect how much you can borrow. The case for a detached house comes down to land. Detached homes include the land, which has historically been the strongest driver of long-term appreciation in Ontario. There are no condo fees. You have privacy, space, and complete control over renovations and how you use the property. In Milton, detached homes have historically outperformed condos in appreciation because of the strong family dynamic and land scarcity. But condos offer excellent value for first-time buyers and downsizers. The right choice depends entirely on your situation. If you'd like to walk through which options make sense for what you're doing right now, reach out to the Flowers team. That's exactly the kind of conversation that we like to have with all of our buyers.